On January 25, 2025, the U.S. Marines executed a groundbreaking live-fire training exercise using the Marine Air Defense Integrated System, MADIS, at the Pohakuloa Training Area in Hawaii. This event marked the first live deployment of the MADIS on a Hawaiian island since its induction into the Marine Corps arsenal in December 2024. It symbolized months of rigorous operational testing and evaluation, highlighting the system's readiness to address emerging threats. Pohakuloa, a premier site for live-fire exercises, provided the ideal environment for the 3D Low-Altitude Air Defense Battalion's LAAD, ground-based air defense battery, to test the MADIS. This exercise allowed Marines to refine their ability to detect, track, identify, and neutralize aerial threats, particularly unmanned aerial systems, UAS, within a contested and dynamic scenario. The MADIS represents a cutting-edge, mobile, short-range air defense system designed to counter evolving aerial threats. Its versatile platform integrates a mix of weapons, including missiles, air-to-air launchers, chain guns, machine guns, and simulated munitions, to provide a highly flexible response to a wide range of aerial challenges. Built to address the growing threat of drones and other low-altitude platforms, MADIS enhances the autonomy and combat effectiveness of ground forces. By delivering rapid response capabilities, it equips Marines to counter small, agile, and hard-to-detect aerial threats, ensuring operational superiority in modern battlefields. The MADIS system includes two distinct variants, MADIS Mk1 and MADIS Mk2, each designed to address specific operational needs. MADIS Mk1 combines a turret-launched Stinger missile, multifunctional electronic warfare (EW) capabilities, direct-fire weapons, and electro-optical infrared (EO/IR) optics. It also features a shoulder-fired Stinger missile for dismounted operations, enabling flexibility in engaging aerial targets. The turret-launched Stinger provides long-range engagement capabilities, while the shoulder-fired missile offers a portable, anti-air solution for Marines in mobile and dismounted roles. MADIS Mk2, the Counter-Unmanned Aerial System (CUAS) variant, is optimized to neutralize drone threats. It includes advanced EW capabilities, a 360-degree radar system for situational awareness, EO/IR optics, direct-fire weapons, and a sophisticated command and control (C2) communication suite. These features allow seamless coordination and enhanced real-time intelligence, enabling rapid responses to UAS threats in complex environments. Together, the Mk1 and Mk2 variants provide a complementary, layered air defense system, forming the backbone of the Marine Corps' ground-based air defense (GBAD) capabilities. MADIS offers a significant tactical advantage by integrating radar, EW, and direct-fire technologies into a single, mobile platform. Its ability to detect, track, and engage aerial threats, including low-flying and small drones, enables layered defense against both kinetic and non-kinetic threats. This adaptability ensures that MADIS can operate effectively in both mounted and dismounted configurations, enhancing Marine Corps readiness across diverse operational scenarios. The system's introduction aligns with broader modernization efforts to bolster air defense capabilities, providing the Marine Corps with advanced tools to counter the increasing threats posed by UAS and low-altitude aerial platforms. The addition of MADIS to the 3D Marine Littoral Regiment, MLR, represents a significant enhancement in air and missile defense capabilities. This mobile and versatile system extends the regiment's range for detecting, engaging, and neutralizing aerial threats. With its ability to operate independently, MADIS reduces the need for joint force support, increasing the self-sufficiency of Marine units in remote and challenging operational theaters. The 3D MLR, based on Oahu, Hawaii, plays a critical role in amphibious and littoral warfare, serving as a cornerstone of the Marine Corps' strategic posture in the Indo-Pacific. The regiment's mission includes ensuring regional security, protecting U.S. interests, and fostering alliances with partner nations across the Pacific. By incorporating MADIS into its operational toolkit, the 3D MLR is better equipped to counter advanced aerial systems deployed by near-peer adversaries and non-state actors. This capability underscores the Marine Corps' commitment to maintaining readiness and strengthening its strategic presence in the region. The fielding of MADIS reflects the Marine Corps' focus on adapting to evolving threats and ensuring its units remain at the forefront of technological and operational advancements. With its advanced air defense capabilities, the system prepares Marines to face increasingly complex challenges posed by modern warfare. As part of the 3D MLR's arsenal, MADIS enhances the regiment's ability to conduct independent operations and project power across vast, remote theaters in the Indo-Pacific. Its deployment at the Pohakuloa training area is not only a testament to its operational maturity but also a signal of the Marine Corps' resolve to remain agile, responsive, and effective in a rapidly changing strategic environment. By integrating MADIS into their operational framework, the U.S. Marines demonstrate their commitment to safeguarding regional stability, strengthening alliances, and maintaining superiority against aerial threats in an era of unprecedented technological challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.